Okay, we started our business in 1999. I used to do all aspects of locksmithing. In 2005, we hired Tony Parsons, and now it's 2020, and we've been doing this since 2005.
The fun part is that every time somebody calls, it's because they need something, and I'm able to go out and handle that need. And I enjoy working with people and letting them know that they've had good service when I'm there. So most people are happy when I leave. We're fair, we're honest, we're doing our best to help you out of a situation you can't get out of.
Both of our locksmiths have been locksmiths. Jeff for 24 years, Tony for 27. And they have in-depth knowledge of their fields. If there's something that we can't do, we'll tell you and we'll refer you to somebody